Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Kalans nil. Amos Karabo to analyze the game. Karabo Mnati.
Okay, grand one.
Easy. Let's jump straight into it. Thoughts on the game?
Well played game. Deserved 3 points. These guys took 3 points first round of the game this season away from home. I think the technical team of Orlando Pirates has improved much. Even this second round, we've never lost a game. We've played I think 4 or 3 games, and we have collected at least 7 points right now. We've played Skukuni, we've played the other game Mokhaimu, and then this one, Magesi. So I'm really proud of the technical team. I once said it to you guys, Jorge. It's not about how we start the season. It's about how we end it, and it's not even at the end, but you can see there's progress. We need to maintain this standard. The players, the way they play, it shows that they listen to the instructions of the coaches and the technical team, and what they apply at the field of training is what they've been applying in the field of play. So we must give credit to their training. Understand? And to the Buccaneers, they've been coming to the games, supporting the boys because we want to win this league. We are left with 14 games, if I'm not mistaken. Now, next game is Mamelodi Sundowns. One of the crucial games is going to be a pound-to-pound game. It's the battle of the battle, of the Giants, and we need to take our ball on the court and we need to face them. 3 goals will be suitable and 3 points with a good clean sheet on Wednesday. And then coming to the game here, to the players, say about disappearing today, I'm really proud. They've proven themselves that they are ready for any action. But I want to give advice to Makhoba that he needs to improve his shooting because of his first 3 attempts of the game. His 3 attempts high, they were really poor, but he kept on and he showed that on and he showed that he deserved to play. And then coming to relay, he have improved much since last first round. He didn't have a good first round because of the speculations since Nkoda Vaile adlale handle and then maybe unale jealous or what, but since I will a responsibility because it's a little time, I think it can show up since he had to adapt from change that responsibility being a father is not easy. And what I can say to the management of the team, the scouting department, they've done a really great job for this season. The players that we've signed, they are all of them, they are performing really well. From the TDC side, look at the TDC side, look at us. Both of the teams on top of the table. History going to be made this season. Pirates TDC side is going to take the league and us, the first team. I'm telling you, with confidence.
It's gonna happen. And we have to give you credit as well. You said it, or it's not about how you start, It's about how you finish, And you also said, or there are a lot of competitions that is still going to play.
Yes.
So obviously we secured MTN, we secured Black Label, onto the NetBank and the league. So can you talk about Tito Masangani today? We saw Anabam Sapa coach. He went straight to the tunnel. Do you think maybe he was angry at the coach, or do you think maybe it was a slight injury? Thoughts on that?
I think it was a slight injury because of after the game he came limping to the Gomo Center line. So I think he was limping. Yeah, he doesn't deserve. He doesn't deserve to give us that attitude because of they've been giving him some time to play. I need to appreciate that precious time that he have improved himself, Lena, and he proved himself. He deserves to play a big games because of Wednesday. We need players that are positive. We don't need players that are negative because of we are playing against a really crucial side, and he mustn't apply that to the coach because of the coach is always fair. Everyone deserves to play, but this is not the pitch. It's a playing field. You must play 11 players to understand. So yeah.
Okay. And then can you talk about Ndaba as well? Thoughts on his performance today?
Ndaba had a game ya vandag. He was not much strong because of Nahlupha ke mang Otladis.
Okay.
Yeah, Utladisa didn't give him a good game because of he was having, I think, only personal agenda. Since I've go Pirates, he want to prove himself and what because of key former team yaha. Because of Kiboni, each and every decision referee na I was against the referee, and so it covers up line because of he's a really good player. His morale and his style of play, because of he's always judgmental in the field of play when he needs to play and apply his talent.
And then on Wednesday we have Mamelodi Sundowns. So which midfield? Because obviously midfield is very crucial. Which midfield do you go with against Sundowns? Because there's talent, there's Master Chef, there is Ketleni, there is Masindi Nomtajela, which we saw today. Which midfield do you go with if you were the coach?
I was going to go with Mbata and then Master Chef, maybe Litito. Badlala I don't know.
Yeah.
I will
So
recommend.
like Cash Gamon.
Yeah, I'm second half. Cash go Salem Kholo le no wabona. Yeah, but I think why I'm saying Kimang Master Chef is a former player le na Sundowns. Okay? He once played. I think he deserves to play this game because of maybe he knows the culture of the team or how do they prepare such games. Pirates Libona. And yeah.
And Tito as well.
Yeah, did
And Mbata.
yeah.
There with Mapagania, that's Karabo's midfield. Whoa,